As a product owner, do you ever feel like you have to have all of the answers? Do you feel like you need to be the smartest person in the room? I'm Sheila Hammond, and I've been doing the BAPO thing for over 25 years. And let me tell you, I've been there. But here's the secret you don't have to know everything at all. I promise. I mean, let's talk about honesty, the power of collaborating, and learning from your team. A product owner is not a one person show. They're not meant to micromanage every feature, make decisions in a vacuum, and dismiss any input from others. This know it all approach is like putting a chokehold on creativity. It shuts down valuable insights and ultimately hinders the product's development. The truth is, the best product owners are comfortable saying, I don't know. But usually that's followed by a very quick, but I can find out. Here are some key strategies to overcome the know it all myth. You don't have to be a one person show. It's time for you to embrace collaboration and realize that your team is a powerhouse of knowledge and expertise. Developers, designers, marketers, they all have incredibly valuable perspectives. Work together, leverage their skills, and create a collaborative environment where everyone feels comfortable sharing ideas. Don't make assumptions about your users. Instead, actively seek out their needs and perspectives. Conduct user interviews, surveys, usability tests, anything to understand how your users interact with your product and what their pain points are. If you are unable to do this, head over to your support team and ask them about the most requested feature or the biggest problem users seem to have. The support team is a really underutilized resource, and they're the ones that really would know best. The product landscape is constantly evolving, and great product owners are always learning. Embrace lifelong learning as a part of your journey. Be open to feedback from your team and from your users. Read industry publications, attend conferences, and take courses, especially. Staying curious and constantly learning will keep you ahead of the curve. Remember, the best product owners are not know it alls, they're collaborative leaders and lifelong learners. They build strong teams, leverage diverse expertise, and prioritize learning from their users. Don't forget to subscribe for more content dedicated to empowering you to become the best product owner you could be. If this resonated with you, I'd love to hear from you. What are you currently learning from your team? That's all I have for today, Lady VA out.